In this video, I'm going to show you our informed consent for tooth fillings form. This is a template available on the iPeg system. You can add your own company logo, you can set your primary colours, and this form is fully editable, so you can edit any of the content, you can add any additional fields, you can delete fields, you can move things around. The idea of the template is to get you up and running as quickly as possible. This particular form has been designed to be sent to the client prior to their appointment, so this saves time on the day and enables them to complete the form in the comfort of their own home in their own time. The form can be sent via email, text, SMS, WhatsApp, any type of electronic method where you can send a link. And because it's a web form, it can be accessed on any device, so phone, laptop, PC, tablet. But of course, it can be completed on the day face-to-face as well. So you have both options. You can send the form prior to the appointment, or it can be completed at the clinic on the day. So this form starts off going through the risks in relation to tooth fillings. So the patient and client would need to read through all of this information. There's a section about possible complications. And then the important part then is the actual patient consent. So again, the patient will need to read through all of this information. Then they're confirming that they've read everything and they understand the consent that they're giving. They'll enter their name. They can set their date of birth with this easy to use date picker. They'll enter their email address, so that gives them the option to send a copy of the form to themselves for their own records. And then they can sign electronically. So if they're completing this on their phone, as many patients will, they simply tap on the screen and they can sign with their finger. If you're doing it on a laptop or a PC, you can simply click with your mouse or mouse pad, and then you just add your signature. So you would do that with your finger or with your mouse. Click on the next button, print your name, click on done. And that will then add the signature, the printed name, the date, and the time that the form was signed. We've got a data protection and privacy statement at the bottom. And when I go to submit the form now, the form will check to see if I've completed all of the mandatory fields. And you'll see in this case, I've actually missed a field. So you can't submit the form until all the fields are complete. When I hit the submit button, I have got the option to send a copy to myself as the patient. And when the form gets sent, you will get an email notification with a link to either view the form, or you can download it as a PDF. It'll have the client's name, so you'll be able to identify who has submitted the form. If you are the patient, you will also get an email notification where you can download the PDF for your own records. But you can also log into the iPeg's portal and access all of your submitted consent forms there. The iPeg's portal gives you the ability to create folders and subfolders for your clients, so that enables you to manage all of your consent forms in a safe and secure manner. So that is our informed consent for tooth fillings form template. If you want to test this form yourself, you can do so by clicking on the link below. And we also have lots of other templates available on the iPeg system.